Hey guys, injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here. I have an itchy chin for some reason. Maybe I need to shave, or maybe I shaved too close and my skin's irritated. I don't know. But anyway, in today's video, I want to, what's the topic? I just talked to a guy and I wanted to shoot you guys a video about it. So I guess the topic is, I got hurt in an accident. I need surgery. How can we get me paid as fast as possible so I can afford to have the surgery? So that's what a guy called me about. He was in a very serious car accident, had never really hired a lawyer before, but, actually needed back surgery. So very severe injury and a very expensive surgery. And it turns out that his wife lost her job and their health insurance got canceled. So he needs the surgery for him to be able to feel better and go back to work, but now they don't have health insurance. And as, if you've watched some of my other videos, had he gotten hurt at work, we would have a mechanism to get the surgery pre-approved or have a doctor agree to do the treatment on the come. But because it's a third-party case, there's no pre-approval for medical care, right? And in fact, there's really good reasons why you don't want the insurance company to pay your medical bills in a third-party case like a car crash or a fall down or a dog bite, bar fight, nursing home, cases like that. Really important. I'll shoot a video on that in the future. But anyway, so this guy's like, hey, I don't have a lawyer. Can you hurry up and just settle my case and get me money, and then I can go have the surgery? So this is what I told the guy. You're thinking about it the wrong way, and that's not how these cases work. So first, you have to understand, once we settle a car crash or like a third-party case, the case is over. So what happens if I get you a bunch of money, you have the surgery, and then the doctor says, oh, there's something else we missed, we need to do another surgery. Or let's say the first surgery didn't quite handle it and they need to go back in and fix it. Once the case is over, we can't go back and get more money, right? Or let's say you have the surgery, two scenarios. One, you have the surgery, you're right as rain. That's the goal, right? But what happens if you have the surgery and it doesn't help? Or you, God forbid, are worse after the surgery? Well, now we've settled the case at this level where your case is now worth a heck of a lot more money. What do? Well, we're done once the case settles. The other thing for you to keep in mind is it does take time for these cases to settle. So it's not like you can hire me when you've got a massive amount of medical records, because insurance companies need the medical bills, your lost wage documentation that we get from your employer if you're losing time from work. They want the medical bills, the medical records, and they want a demand letter in the right format. So this is something that personal injury attorneys do wrong all the time. And frankly, I did it wrong for a long time in my career as a younger lawyer, but I sure got it figured out in a hurry. If you write insurance demand letters using the right format with the right level of detail, you get much better offers on the cases. And so that's certainly true in my office, but it does take more time and effort to write the demand letters the right way. So it's gonna take me time to get all of your medical records together, all your medical bills together. And the other thing about medical records and bills is, you might say, well, I went to the hospital and then I saw Dr. Smith and I saw Dr. Jones and I went to so-and-so therapy center. And that's the complete list, and you think that's all the medical providers there are. But here's something that's true. Many hospitals bill for the facility, separately for the doctors, separate for anesthesia, separate for medication. Doctors' offices or medical facilities often bill for the facility, separately for the doctors, separate for therapy services. So you may have 4 medical providers and 8 sets of medical bills and records. How do I know that? Well, one is I have a lot of experience with medical providers and I know what to look for, but also one of the reasons why we go through your medical records very carefully is to look for other medical providers. And it's a good thing I do it, because often my clients have tens of thousands of dollars of additional bills that they don't even remember. Maybe it got mailed to them, but they didn't know what it was for, right? So, those are reasons why a quick settlement in order to pay for a surgery is a really bad idea. So if you're struggling with this issue or some other issue where you have questions, or you just feel like things are not going right in your case, or you're worried about making sure all your ducks are in a row, absolutely give me a call at 312-500-4500. Happy to answer your questions. And if you enjoy my video, please like it and hit the subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up. Hit the little bell so you're notified when I release a new video. I've got great tools on my website. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out my website and check out the free tools, no obligation, on my website for you to use. No attorney to talk to, nothing like that, just free, super useful information and tools. And if if you enjoy my videos and you wouldn't mind, if you would leave a 5-star review for me on Google, that would really help my business out. I try to do everything I can to help injured people with information, and obviously by representing them or answering their questions on the phone. And if you would do me the kindness of leaving a 5-star review for me on Google, I'll leave the link in the description. It would really help me out. Really appreciate it. So on this beautiful fall day, that is all I have to say on that topic. Beware of settling your case in order to pay for a surgery, because once your case is over, it's over. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.